We won the Blue Ribbon Award.
Oh, sweet.
We're doing this because we won the Blue Ribbon Award, and we wanted to just celebrate it with our whole grade and whole class and our whole school.
Today was a celebration at Crockett Elementary. We were celebrating the award of the National Blue Ribbon School for 2019.
Only 6 in Tennessee did win it.
Well, I don't really know that much about it. I just knew that we won it for having the best staffs and the best teachers.
Our student performance, it's based on how our teachers are able to help students succeed, and it's based on the support of our community.
Well, we invited people, our community members and people from the district office to come and celebrate with us. So several were able to come out and speak to our students and to be able to share in the excitement with us and the celebration.
So congratulations to you. Congratulations to all of you who were involved. We are so proud of you.
There was a hula hoop contest and the dancing contest and the mummy wrapping your teacher contest. So there was a bunch of competitions.
My favorite part was probably the dancing stuff. It was fun to watch.
I won the dance-a-thon, or like the dance competition, and I'm in 5th grade, so I was like, it's my last dance competition, so I was glad to win.
We were particularly excited to have Nash lead us in some Crockett cheers today, and he really helped us with our dance contest.
CES, Crockett is the best.
It was just great. It was like so fun, and it was a great time.
It's exciting and fun that you're happy and you're like, oh man, I won this reward.
I think it's an awesome school.